Here is a natural beauty like a work of art. An island quite raw that will steal your heart. Kung gusto mo ng hindi masyadong dinadayo, ito ang isla na para sa'yo. Warm, clear waters and powdery white sand. Experience all this in Sison Island. Among all the islands, ang Sison Island ay isa sa islands na may magandang story at napakaganda rin puntahan. Despite the fact na hindi siya ganoong binibisita or dinadaungan, this island is definitely a spot kung gusto mong mag-relax o kaya naman you want to take aesthetic photos. This is the perfect spot for that. Just look at it. Napakaganda, di ba? Roughly 45 minutes from Lookout Wharf, this island, which was named after the Sison clan for their remarkable contribution to the land, can be the perfect destination for photo shoots, nature sighting, and soul searching. Dreaming of an island perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing? Sison Island is your sure thing. It is a paradise, so nice with clear water and bright sky. Ano man ang iyong intensyon, pag ito ang natiling destinasyon, yayakapin ka ng mga alon.